Hey, if you're looking for a little bit more security in your house and you're wanting something that can brace both windows, sliding doors, or even your regular doors underneath the doorknob, this 2-in-1 security bar, it comes, I'm going to tell you, you can see the pictures of it. This thing is more solid and sturdy than I was expecting. So I did want to share that with you. And let me show you how easy it is to put together. These just slide right in like that. And then you just put it up to your desired length. It's put together. It's that simple. Anyone can do this. I like that this one had options. This one you can use underneath a doorknob. Let me show you that. To brace a door with the doorknob with this special designed piece that they have here, all you do is you simply put it up underneath, put it down. The rubber part down here holds it into place. So even if somebody was trying to push that door in, it's going to hold it, and it can withstand up to 400 pounds of force. So that is pretty impressive. It has the ability to adjust down here. So if your doorknob happened to be a different height, anything like that, depending on how far you want this angled in or out, you can adjust it. To remove it is that simple. Now, let's say you don't want to use this for the door, but you want to use it for a sliding door or a window. Just take this piece off like that. It comes with this little extra rubber stopper piece here. You're going to push that right on the end, just like that, and it is all set and ready. You can adjust it to the size window or sliding door that you're putting it in. Let me show you. I put it into place just like that, and that window is not going to open. If you find that your sliding window is just a little bit too big, this will still prevent it from opening all the way, only open a couple inches. I did find another solution to that problem. And you can actually put it in there like this, and that door will not be able to be opened.